So we're here on Sea Stallion now, which is a Maurer Rides Spike Coaster. So with this, we need to pull the throttle here to the side, and that will increase our speed as we're going around on the ride. Whoa! We're off! That's it! We don't mess about! Whoa! Good speed there! Good speed! Whoa! Woo! We got some good speed here. Here we go. We're launching! The funny things these are, powered spike coasters. Good view. Whoa! That's it. That's as fast as I can go. So yeah, literally I'm turning this just here as we're near the end of the ride. Yeah, it's quite short, that one. Quite an interesting investment for the park, but still, it's a good family ride. We're coming in fast. Hey. There we go. Thanks for joining us for a ride. Sea Stallion here on Theme Park Worldwide. See you in the next video.
Thank you for coming.